Must it be the one I love the most?
As a sign of your faith.
Oh, this must be the hardest hill I've ever climbed, for I must sacrifice you, promised son of mine. And so I go to worship with you by my side, and trust a sacrifice he will provide. And though I cherish you, I must now offer you to him who is the giver of all good things. And though I cherish you, I will now offer you, for surely he could raise you up again. Here on this altar, Father, I lay all my dreams and offer back to you this child you've given me. Oh son, you must believe he's called us to obey, and by his love he'll make a better way. And though I cherish you, I must now offer you to him who is the giver of all good things. And though I cherish you, I will now offer you, for surely he will raise you up again. Oh Abraham, oh Abraham, now that I know you fear my name, withhold your hand. Oh Abraham, oh faithful man, your only son, he's not the one. Behold the Lamb, behold the Lamb. It must have been the hardest thing he'd ever done, when God the Father sacrificed his only Son, the one that he most cherished, gave his life away. And by his love he made a better way. And so I cherish you, and so I honor you, for truly you're the giver of all good things. And so I cherish you, and so I honor you. Your sacrifice is now the King of Kings, Jehovah Jireh. He has provided the sacrifice of love no man could ever pay. And what He requires of you and me, even the hardest things, your blood, oh Christ, your sacrifice gives me strength to obey.